Alright, welcome. Let's find the value of x and y in this equation. We are given x plus y equals 8. X multiplied by y equals 20. Let's call here equation 1 and call here equation 2. Solution. Now given x plus y as 8 and then x multiplied by y as 20. From equation 1, we can have that y is equal to 8 minus x. Let's call here equation 3, okay? So that we can substitute this equation 3 into equation 2, okay? So let's put this equation back here. We now have x multiplied by, now what is the value of y? See the value of y here, which is 8 minus x. This will give us 20. Remember, this is our equation 2. See our equation 2. So let's expand. When you expand, you have 8 times x. X times 8 is 8x. X times minus x, you have minus x squared. This will give us 20. This will give us 20. Okay, so rearranging, so that we can have something like ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So I can have here minus x raised to power 2. This is plus 8x is equal to 20. So that when this 20 crosses equality sign, you have minus x raised to power 2 plus 8x minus 20 equals to 0. So multiply through now by minus 1. Minus 1 times minus x raised to power 2, you have positive x raised to power 2. Then minus 1 times this 8, you have minus 8x. Minus 1 times minus 20, you have positive 20. This will give us equal to 0. It's already a quadratic equation. So we are now going to factorize this expression, okay? Factorizing x raised to power 2 minus 8x plus 20 equals to 0. Using formula method, check my previous lessons for more on formula method. Remember that in formula method, x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b raised to power 2 minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Then if you compare this expression back here, you notice that you have x squared minus 8x plus 20, and we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So you notice here that a is 1 when you compare, b is minus 8, and the c is positive 20. Okay? Now substituting, when you substitute, we have x is equal to minus bracket minus 8 plus or minus the square root of, remember we have here minus 8 all raised to power 2 minus, this is 4 here, times 1 times 20 all divided by 2 times 1. So this will give us minus minus, here we have positive 8 plus or minus all in square root of minus 8 raised to power 2 will give you 64. Here now, minus times 4 times 1 times 20, you have minus what? 80. Remember, all divided by 2 times 1, which is 20. So x will still be positive 8 plus or minus all in square root of 64 minus 80. You have 6 here to give you 70, so we have 16 and it will be minus 16 all divided by 2. This can now give us 8 plus or minus root 16 multiplied by minus root 16 multiplied by minus 1 all divided by 2. Okay, so that x is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4, then multiply by root minus 1 all divided by 2. Now remember, root minus 1 is same as I. Okay, so we are going to replace this root minus 1 as I. We can now have x is equals to 8 plus or minus 4I all divided by 2, which is similar to 8 over 2 plus or minus 4I over 2. Okay, we can now have 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2, we have plus or minus 2I. Therefore, x1 is equals to 4 plus 2I. And x2 is equals to 4 minus 2I. Remember, this plus or minus means two values. This is just similar to the values of y, but in interchanged form. Although, let's still proceed to solve for the values of y by substituting x in our equation 3. Remember equation 3 here. Alright, let's proceed. To find y, put x into equation 3. So our equation 3 says is y is what? 8 minus x. 8 minus x. This is our equation 3. So we can now have y is equals to 8 minus bracket. Remember, we had 4 plus or minus 2I. Good. 4 plus or minus 2I. So y1 will now be 8 minus, okay, 4 plus 2I. This is same as 8 minus 4 minus 2I. y1 will now be 4 minus 2I. And then y2 is equal to 8 minus bracket 4 minus 2I. This will give us 8 minus 4 minus 2I. Therefore, y2 is equals to x1, which is what? 8, 4 plus 2I. And y1 is equals to x2, which is 4 minus 2I. Good. You can still check. Okay? You can still check. Let's say we had that x plus y is equals to 8. Now, let's say our x1 is 4 plus 2I. Then plus our y1. Where is our y1? y1 is 4 minus 2I. Will it give us 8? Good. So you have 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4, then plus 2I. This is minus 2I here. Will it give us 8? So you notice that these 2I and 2I will cancel. You have 8 is equals to 8. Now to check for the product, that is x multiplied by y equals to 20. Recall that root minus 1 is I, and this root minus 1 all raised to power 2 will give you minus 1. That is, will give you minus 1, which is what? I raised to power 2. Okay? So if this is I, I raised to the power 2 will give us what? Minus 1. So when you apply this rule and check x multiplied by y, you will definitely have 2 because you will just apply difference of 2 squares to solve for it. Okay? So that is how you can solve for this Olympiad equation. Please, if you have any challenge, go through it again. Ask in the comment section. If you like what we have done, kindly support this channel by subscribing, like and share for more. Thank you.